How to fix Wi-Fi won't turn on iPhone after iOS 18 update. If you're facing an issue with your Wi-Fi not turning on after updating to iOS 18, don't worry. Here's how you can fix it with a few simple steps. First, rule out any hardware issues by downloading the Check My Device app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app, tap the Wi-Fi icon, and select Wi-Fi Test. Tap Test to see if your Wi-Fi is working properly. If it is, then the issue isn't related to hardware, and you can move on to the software fixes. Next, turn off all restrictions. Open your iPhone's Settings app, scroll down to Screen Time, tap on it, and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off this setting to see if that resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, the second solution is to disable location services. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services, and simply turn it off. This might fix any interference with your Wi-Fi connection. Next, it's important to check for any available iOS updates, as software bugs can often cause Wi-Fi issues. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If there's an update, install it and ensure your iPhone is at least 50% charged before you begin. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and tap Reset All Settings. This will restore your phone's settings to their default configuration without erasing any data, which could resolve the Wi-Fi issue. By following these steps, your Wi-Fi should be back to normal. If these solutions worked for you, share the video, and if you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below.